Moses Khumalo ozoyishaya impempe yakhe ngedala yena ke uphila ngenkosi eKhumalo uyishaka kodwa uyishaka kabili uyishaka kathathu esigaba ke block umhlaba basibona ubhekisa phezulu athi fasa phakani yafasa ndoda emnyama wena wa Africa bene kanye ziphila abanye basayibheka phezulu the first goalkeeper eBholela South Africa ukuthi ke abe nama clean sheet ke awu 21 ulingana namaqembu amabili iqembu leOrlando Pirates neqembu leKaizer Chiefs bakwenze ke konke lokho collectively yena ke njengonozinti uthi ke yibo qala ukuba ke nama clean sheet athi ke awu 21 yena ke uSipho Chaina awukhamtshela ukazakhatshela bangazithi kwazi sijabulisa igazi lisegazini forever iyo lapha ke Orlando Pirates engakholwa ke nezeneze bafika besuka koPulukwane City oApolisa benephupho lokuzophakamisa ileague neOrlando Pirates liyafezeka namhlanje iphupho labo ke oOswin Apolisa akakholwa ke ngempela yena ke u10-1 uthi ngempela kwenzekile yebo kwenzekile kwenzeka kanjani na 2 Orlando Pirates iqanda kwiOrbit College sizolinda ke mbukeli sibabone ke ngempela bephakamisa into yabo.
Final thank you to all our commentators in all 3 languages. Ron Vincent, Diego Modise, Babam Tet, as well as Reggie Ndlovu. 2-0 the final score here at the Mbombela Stadium, and with that, a result that relegates Orbit College down to the Motsepe Foundation Championship. And for the first time in 9 seasons, we have a team that is not Mamelodi Sundowns as champions of South Africa. They are named Orlando Pirates Football Club for the first time since 2012, Kings of South African football. I'm standing alongside a man who stood out more